Hello students, this video is specially for backlog students. First, practice this question paper. So we have 4 units. You concentrate mainly on 2 units, any 2 units. So I'll tell you some important questions also. This is Fazan's rule, first in organic chemistry. Fazan's rule means simply change of ionic to covalent bond. Remember, and some diagrams are there. Remember that one, polarization diagram and polarization power, polarizability. Simply small positive cation should be small, anion should be large. Remember that one. Enough. 1-2 points. VSPR theory, valence shell electron pair theory. Also, how geometry is decided in molecule. It is based on VSPR theory. Okay, this remember. Hybridization we use to explain the shapes of different types of molecules. Some shapes not explained by VSPR theory, it explained with hybridization concept. Remember some examples. sp3 hybridization, take CH4. This is a sp3 hybridization. Practice the diagram. sp3d hybridization, remember PCl5, trigonal bipyramidal geometry. sp3d2 hybridization, SF6. Practice the diagram of octahedral. Okay, that is hybridization concept. Next, very important one is MOT, molecular orbital theory. Very simple. Atomic orbitals combined to form molecular orbitals. Two different types of orbitals: bonding, anti-bonding. Bonding means addition, overlap. Anti-bonding means subtraction, overlap. What is LCO? So definition. Next, MOID. This is very important. MOID diagrams. Practice step by step. First, electronic configuration, total number of electrons, molecular orbitals distribution, calculation of bond order, magnetic property. Okay, so remember these steps only. Total 9 steps. In exam also you write like this only, as this. Okay, we have 10 molecules in our syllabus. Practice all 10. Okay, first and second up to 14, after 14. Hydrogen is very simple. HF is different. Okay, practice this diagram. This is enough. 100% question. Next, diborane. Diborane molecule also practice the structures. Diborane structure, molecular orbital structure. Okay, just practice the structures. Next, boron trihalides. Remember this order. Remember the order. Halides, Bi3 is strong acid. Next to carbides. In carbides, at least remember the headings: ionic, covalent, interstitial carbides. Okay, headings and at least 2 examples. Reactions are not important. Just remember the headings and examples. Use is also important. Same nitrides, carbides, both are same. Both are same only. Classification, remember classification and examples. That is enough. Next, silicones. Silicones also same definition, classification and structure. Easy only. Applications also important. Okay, that is complete about inorganic chemistry. Next, organic. Compulsory practice inductive effect. These are easy concept. Inductive, minus IE group, plus IE groups. Applications. Acidity of carboxylic. Remember this order. At least one example. Basicity of amines, stability of carbonium ions. Remember the order. Mesomeric effect, definition, examples, characteristics. Minus ME group, plus ME groups. Okay, remember at least 3 or 4. Hyperconjugation, same definition, applications. Next, Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule and example. Practice the example. Mechanism not important, just rule and example. Next, anti-Markovnikov rule also important. Next, anti-Markovnikov rule also important. Same. definition and example. At least remember the example. Okay. Next, dienes. Classification of dienes. Dienes means the molecule which contain two double bonds. Remember the types of dienes and 1,2 and 1,4 addition. And 1,2 and 1,4 addition. Next, Diels-Alder reaction. This reaction practice once. Okay, very important. Diels-Alder reaction. Next, Huckel's rule also important. Very easy. Very easy. Huckel's rule also very easy. Remember 4n plus 2 pi rule. Remember like that. Examples. Next, these are very important mechanisms. Okay, practice 3 or 4 times. Easily you can get 10 marks. This is chlorination reaction. Very easy. You follow step by step. Reaction and mechanism. Mechanism also important. Remember the headings also. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. Practice step 2 3 to 4 times. Easily you can write in the exam. This is chlorination. Like that you have 5 reactions. This is nitration. Same, everything is same. Electrophile is different. NO2 plus electrophile. Next, sulfonation. SO3 is electrophile. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. CH3 plus is electrophile. Friedel-Crafts acylation. CH3 C double bond O plus is electrophile. Electrophile is different in all these reactions. Everything is same only. Practice 5 reactions. Next, activating and deactivating groups. That means ortho para product formation, meta product formation, how takes place based on group. Okay, just remember the examples. Next, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry, first complete atomic structure, all topics. All topics easy only, intermediate topics. So that's why complete all this. Photoelectric effect, Compton effect, de Broglie equation. Remember that equation. Heisenberg uncertainty, we all know. Planck's radiation law, Rayleigh's law. At least remember the equation. And one problem, de Broglie equation. Lambda is equal to h by mv. Remember that one. Next, black body radiation. Remember this diagram and graph. Joule-Thomson effect, cooling of gases, liquefaction of gases by Linde method. Practice the diagram. Claude method. Both are same only, just in Claude work done. Next, liquid state. These all very easy. Okay, different types of intermolecular forces, London dispersion forces, dipole induced. Very easy. Practice once. Next, differences between solid, liquid, gases. This question is also you can attempt easily. Next is surface tension. Surface tension. Remember the definition and determination of surface tension by stalagmometer. Okay, this is a stalagmometer. Next, viscosity. Viscosity and Ostwald viscometer. Practice the diagrams. Next, solution topic. In solution topics, first read Henry's law and Raoult's law. These two are very important, and equations also for Henry's law and Raoult's law. Remember the formulas also. Next, in this, read this one. Explain fractional distillation. Practice this diagram. Theory you can write easily. Next, agiotropic mixtures. Read this question. Next, isomerism. This question also easily you can attempt. Constitutional isomerism means structural, chain, position, functional. Okay, you can write in the exam easily. Next, enantiomers, diastereomers also easy question. Read once. Okay, practice the diagrams. Enantiomers, diastereomers. Okay, next EZ nomenclature is also very easy. EZ nomenclature means just remember cis and trans. Read once you will understand. Next, this question is also very important. Conformational analysis of ethane. Okay, ethane. For ethane, two conformations. Remember this one. And stability order and energy diagram. Practice all these three. For butane also same like that. Okay, different types of conformations, stability order and this energy diagram. Practice once. Next, solid state law of interfacial angles and law of symmetry, plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry. Okay, in cube, plane of symmetry, these are which divide the cube into two halves. Axis of symmetry, different types of axis, C4, C3, C2. Just remember these first points. Okay, don't remember all these points, at least diagrams practice once. Next, Miller indices diagram. This is unit cell crystal lattice. Definition of unit cell and what is crystal lattice, different types of unit cells. Next, Bragg's equation. This question is also very important. Bragg's equation, first draw this diagram and this derivation is also important. Practice 2-3 times. Next, Bragg's rotating crystal method, powder method. Two methods are used. Next, practice this structure, sodium chloride crystal structure and cesium chloride. And this is salt analysis topic. Remember these two topics. Solubility product, definition, applications also important. Common ion effect, definition with example. Next, these are ions, anions, first, second, third. Cations classified into 6 steps. Just remember the classification. Okay, this is complete questions and answers for specially backlog students.